Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2. So, to solve this, I'm going to first start by dividing both sides by x to the power of 2. So then these two cancel out to get 1, and I get x to the power of x over x to the power of 2 is equal to 1. Now, I could use an important property of exponents that states that if I have something in the form a to the power of m minus a to the power of n, this is equal to, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So in this case, I have x to the power of x over x to the power of 2, and it's going to equal x to the power of x minus 2, which is equal to 1. Now, I'm going to take the ln, or natural log, on both sides. So I get ln x to the power of x minus 2 is equal to ln 1. Now, if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front, so this turns to b times ln a. So in this case, I can move x minus 2 to the front. So now I get x minus 2 times ln x is equal to ln 1. Now, if you didn't already know, ln 1 is actually equal to 0. So I get x minus 2 times ln x is equal to 0. And now I basically have two different equations. My first equation is x minus 2 equals 0. And my second equation is ln of x equals 0. So let's solve the first equation because it's the easiest. All I have to do is add 2 on both sides, and I get x is equal to 2. So this is one solution. And for ln x equals 0, to solve this, I'm going to take e to the power of both sides. So I get e to the power of ln x is equal to e to the power of 0. E and ln cancel out, so I get x is equal to e to the power of 0, which is 1. So my two solutions to this equation are x equals 2 and x equals 1. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this to any of your friends and family. Thank you. Alright, so in this video, I'm solving the equation x to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. So to solve this, I'm going to first take the power of 6 on both sides. So I get x to the power of x to the power of 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 6. And now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 and 6 multiply, so now I get x to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 18. I also switched the places of x to the power of 6 and 6. So now from here, I'm going to rewrite 3 to the power of 18 as 3 to the power of 9 times 2. And now we can use the reverse of this property and change this form into this form. So now I get x to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 3 squared to the power of 9. And 3 squared is 9, so I get x to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6 is equal to 9 to the power of 9. And because this is in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a equals b. So in this case, x to the power of 6 is equal to 9. And if I take the 6th root on both sides, I get x is equal to the 6th root of 9.